Hello and welcome. My name is Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art. If you like my content, please like, subscribe, and share. So today I'm going to be working on a Dutch pour on a 10 by 10 gallery wrap canvas. My canvas is square. And I'm going to be using the same colors that I used last week since I had leftover paint. So right now I'm putting my base coat on, which is a white. Getting all that paint out the cup. Don't want to waste any. And then I'm going to spread that paint out with the blow dryer. Once I get my flood coat down, again, which is a titanium white, I'm going to start adding my colors. And all this information will be listed in the description below. And the first color I'm going to add is a turquoise green. My next color I'm adding is a Dioxazine purple. Then I'm going to add a red. And I'm being very mindful of the darker colors such as the purple and the red because they tend to take over. The next color I'm going to add is a lavender. And I created that lavender with titanium white and a little bit of Dioxazine purple. This is a sky blue light. Which is a light blue. And the last color I'm going to add is a 24K, which is a gold. Then I'm going to add some additional titanium white around the colors. And that also helps my paint, the colors glide across the canvas with the additional paint. I'm going to blow that white over some of the areas of the color. And then I'm going to blow it out. So the rest is just working on getting the composition I like. I use a mini blower as well as a straw. The mini blower I got from Amazon. I'll just let you watch and enjoy the rest of the video. Again, please like, share, and subscribe. My name is Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art. Creating is what we do.